Every Pages template includes built-in paragraph styles that specify a font and size, colour, and other attributes for text. Applying paragraph styles to text ensures a consistent look for the text in our document. To change a paragraph style, first we must select the text we want to change. And we can do this by tapping 3 times on the line or the paragraph. Then we tap the paintbrush and the Format tab goes to Text. We tap on Paragraph Styles and we get a list of different styles. We could change the size and style manually, but if we want to make a table of contents, we must first use these paragraph styles for titles, headings, etc. As we move down the list, our selection will change to show the style change. We can change the font of our text to fit in with the kind of document we're producing. This can be done either by tapping the A, B, C and then the 2 A's on the keyboard toolbar, or by using the paintbrush format icon. We'll look at the paintbrush format option. The first way is to use the keyboard toolbar. Tap on the ABC in the toolbar and a list of fonts appears. We then tap on the font of our choice and our selected text will be changed. The second way is to use the format icon. To change the font, we first need to select the text that is to be changed. Then tap the format icon. This brings up the text menu and we tap on the font name. We scroll up till we come to the font name of our choice. In this case, it is Futura. We then tap on the little circle with the eye in it to find more information about the font. Here we have some options. We'll choose medium. We can italicize it and underline it. And by tapping on the 3 dots, there are added options. We'll tap on Start Case, which capitalizes the first letter in each word. The first way is to use the keyboard toolbar. Make sure that the text is selected, then tap on the 2 A's. A range of sizes appear. Now we're limited to the sizes shown, and we can also add bold, italic or underlined characteristics to our text. Tap on whatever size we want. The second way is to use the format icon. First select the text, then tap on the plus sign by the font size. Single tap will increase it by 1 point, but if we hold our finger on the plus sign, it will increase faster. To decrease the size, do the same with the minus sign. Make sure that the text is selected, then tap on the format icon. Tap on text color and we have 4 options. The first is preset, and the colors are preset by the template that we chose. Tap on whatever color we choose and the text will change to that color. Next we have the color palette of 120 colors. Just tap on any one of these and the colour of the text will change. If we swipe to the left, we get a colour wheel and the options with sliders to change the hue and the opacity. The eyedropper allows us to take a colour from any other image and use it as our text colour. The gradient is the next option. We have a start and an end option which we can change. We can flip those options so that the end becomes the start and vice versa. We can also change the angle of the gradient. Finally, we have the option to use an image as the text colour. For best effect, use a bold font. After we have selected Choose Image, we'll be taken to our camera roll. Tap on a photo and it will appear as the colour of our text. We can adjust paragraphs on a page, column, text box or shape so that the text is aligned to the left or to the right, centred or aligned on both left and right. Select text or tap a text box or a shape with text to select it. Then tap the alignment option in the toolbar above the keyboard. Tap on the text to select it, then the format icon, and then go down and tap on the alignment buttons. I tap where I want my list to begin. Then type a dash or a letter or a number followed by a full stop. For example, 1 full stop or a full stop. I enter the first item on my list, tap return, then continue entering list items, tapping return after each one. Each new line automatically begins with the same character I started with. Numbers and letters are incremented accordingly. To end the list, I tap return twice. I can change the types of bullet by tapping on the format icon, then going down to tap on bullets and lists and choosing the type that I want. Tap on format icon, then line spacing and a panel comes up. To increase the spacing between lines, tap on the plus sign. To decrease, tap on the minus sign. We can also increase or decrease the spacing between paragraphs in the same way by tapping on the plus or minus signs in paragraph spacing. We can add columns to our text quite simply. With the text selected, we tap on the format icon and scroll down and tap on columns. We can increase or decrease the number of columns by tapping on the plus or minus signs. We can also change the size of the gutters in the same way.